Hi friend, welcome to Soban SEO Expert channel. Today our topic is how to download and install Skype in laptop or PC. So we start the video, but before starting you have to know about Skype. What is Skype? Skype is a globally renowned communication platform, revolutionizes the way we connect. With its seamless video and voice calling features, Skype brings people together across the world, fostering personal and professional connections like never before. So first I show it to you. As you now see on the screen is like this type, and you see my Skype profile and also other contacts of mine now. It is very best for to communication platform for businessmen and also for other peoples. You have to do that for its downloading that open Microsoft Store in PC or laptop, and then after some time, when it opens, then you will see the search option on the top, so then search simply Skype here. After some time when it comes, then download it, and then after some time you will get it on your PC or laptop easily. Then simply make your account on Skype and use it. The account preparation method I will tell inshallah in the next video. Okay friends, for any type of issue never miss to comment.